I mean, there's just so much noise in the world. It makes my head hurt. Mine too. Although it might be the cocktails. No, it's not. It's all this. Just noise, noise, noise. I mean, say what you will about the pandemic. At least things were quiet. And even if somebody was talking, they were wearing a mask. You couldn't hear them. I was happy during the pandemic. I don't even remember why. I'll tell you why. Because it was quiet. It was a quiet time. People stayed home, off the road, even off the phone. They could talk on the phone. They didn't want to. They texted. Texted. That's ridiculous. The past tense of text should be text. It's all emojis anyway. It's not like anybody gives a damn about grammar anymore. That's gone too. Now it's just noise and emojis and podcasts. Podcasts. Noise and emojis and podcasts. Do you know why they're called podcasts? No, why? Because they were made for iPods and they don't even make those anymore. Maybe we're getting old. Shame on you. Bartender, 2 more. 2 more.